Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Cyberman, and today we are going to discuss about a most interesting topic, that is a chat GPT. So in today's video we'll see what is a chat GPT, how we can use it, and we'll see a few example as well. So first thing is, what is a chatbot? Chatbot is nothing, it's just a software. You might have seen different kind of chatbot when you visit any website and seeking for any help. So there is a chat option available. So when you click on that chat icon, you can enter some specific question or some query or some issue. But those are very specific and limited. But ChatGPT is different. ChatGPT is an AI chatbot developed by OpenAI in November 2022. So ChatGPT is useful for each and every sector. Either you are a school student, college student, or doing any job, or in a regular basis, ChatGPT is really helpful. So let's get started and see how we can sign up to ChatGPT and how we can use it. So this is a ChatGPT login page. So if you are new to ChatGPT, just click on to sign up to the ChatGPT. Here you have to enter your email address, or there are other options if you want to continue with a Google account or an Microsoft account. So first you have to enter your email address, for example testmail.com, and then after that you have to enter your password, and then you have to confirm your phone number. So this is a really quick step to log in or sign up to ChatGPT page. After sign up, so I have already signed up to the ChatGPT, and after sign up you will see these kind of pages. So this is a ChatGPT option. So in this chat option you can enter anything. Anything means if you are a college student and if you got a project to make a presentation, you can enter PowerPoint presentation on this topic. Let's see a quick example. Okay, presentation on AI. Let's see. So as we can see, it gets started and we are able to see the content. It is creating a content, and we can easily copy this particular content and paste to the PowerPoint presentation and show as a PowerPoint presentation. And this is really cool. I told you guys, this is really cool. We can do a lot of stuff. Like if I'm a college student and I got a project to create a Java program, let's see an example. Java program to swap two numbers. So here we go. So this is an example of Java program created by ChatGPT. As we can see, it is creating right now, and after the program it is also explaining what is a program and what are the different things it used in the program, and it is also showing an output file. So this is really cool, guys. Even we can see how we can link PAN and Aadhar card. Let's see. So here we can see step by step how we can link our PAN card and Aadhar card. First we have to go to the income tax website, and there are few other steps involved. So we can see all the steps. So ChatGPT is really helpful. As you can see quick examples here. So this is not it, guys. Trust me, ChatGPT is really helpful and interesting. Try to use it and let me know if you face any issues. We'll try to make another video with more example. And for the college student, do not use this ChatGPT for cheating as well. So thank you everyone for joining this call. Thank you.